Hello everyone, today I want to share about the core foundation for understanding real order flow in Bookmap, a crucial element that helps us see how money truly moves behind every price action. All market movements are formed by two fundamental types of orders: aggressive orders and passive orders. Understanding their nature and role is the first step to accurately reading order flow behavior in Bookmap. In this session, I'll explain these concepts in a simple way, and then show their real-world applications when analyzing price, liquidity, and flow behavior on Bookmap. 1. Overview: the two types of orders in the market. Aggressive orders. These are market orders, traders who want to get filled immediately without waiting for a better price. They hit the existing order book to enter the market right away, showing strong initiative and urgency. Examples: buy market, sell market. Passive orders. These are limit orders, traders who wait to get filled at their desired price, thereby providing liquidity to the market. They're not rushing to enter, instead they let price come to them. Examples: buy limit, sell limit. 2. How it's displayed in Bookmap. Bookmap visually represents the ongoing battle between aggressive and passive orders. Every element on the interface carries meaning, revealing how real money is behaving in the market. Passive orders. These are shown as bright yellow, orange, or red lines on the heatmap. The brighter the color, the more limit orders exist at that price level. These areas are known as liquidity walls, zones where smart money places resting orders, indicating the price levels they care about or intend to defend. Aggressive orders. These are represented by colored bubbles on the main chart, green and red circles that show where trades actually occur. Each bubble represents a market order hitting the order book, visualizing the true active buying and selling pressure in real time. Red bubbles equals sell market orders. Green bubbles equals buy market orders. By observing both elements together, you can clearly see the confrontation between active order flow and passive liquidity, helping you identify which side is in control, the attackers or the defenders. 3. Function and role of each order type. Passive orders. Main functions: provide liquidity to the market. Create temporary support or resistance zones. Disguise smart money's intentions, they can place large visible walls and remove them quickly. Attract aggressive orders to hit into them, allowing smart money to absorb or distribute positions efficiently. In Bookmap, if a liquidity wall holds firm and absorbs a large number of market orders, it's often a sign of true support or resistance. Smart money is defending that level. If the wall disappears as price approaches, it's a fake wall, suggesting the market is likely to break through that area easily. Aggressive orders. Main functions: create actual price movement. Without aggressive orders, the market simply doesn't move. Reflect market sentiment such as fear and greed, they often surge during breakouts or panic moves. Trigger stops or breakouts, marking the phase known as a stop run. In Bookmap, green bubbles represent buy market orders and red bubbles represent sell market orders. If buy market volume increases sharply but price doesn't rise, it indicates absorption. Smart money is selling into the buying pressure. If sell market volume surges but price doesn't fall, it also signals absorption. Smart money is quietly buying into the selling flow. 4. How to combine them to read the real order flow. To truly read the real order flow on Bookmap, you need to combine both the behavior of aggressive orders and the reaction of passive orders at the same time. Below are 4 common scenarios and how to interpret them to understand what smart money is actually doing. Scenario 1. When you see aggressive buy volume increasing sharply, but price fails to move higher, it means those buy orders are being absorbed at a sell limit wall. In other words, smart money is quietly distributing into that buying pressure. This is an early warning signal for a potential bearish reversal. Scenario 2. On the other hand, if aggressive sell orders surge but price doesn't fall, it means the selling pressure is being absorbed at a buy limit wall. This indicates that smart money is quietly accumulating. It's a strong signal of a potential bullish reversal worth paying attention to. Scenario 3. If you notice aggressive buy orders increasing strongly, the sell wall disappears and price continues to push higher, it shows that buying pressure is not being absorbed, the market is experiencing a true breakout. In this situation, you can consider entering a buy position in the direction of the trend. Scenario 4. When aggressive sell orders spike, but price suddenly snaps back upward, it indicates a stop-run trap to the downside, a fake breakdown designed to trap late sellers. This is a countertrend buy signal, often appearing right before a sharp bullish reversal. 5. Practical summary. To apply this effectively in real trading, you need to clearly understand the role of each order type and how they appear on Bookmap. Passive orders, limit orders. These are the orders that build liquidity walls and create price reaction zones. On Bookmap, they appear as bright orange or red areas on the heatmap. The brighter they are, the more liquidity is sitting there. These zones represent potential supply and demand areas, where price often pauses, reacts, or reverses. Aggressive orders, market orders. These are the orders that move price and trigger liquidity. On Bookmap, you'll see them as green and red bubbles, along with CVD showing the net flow of buying and selling pressure. They represent the real flow of money in motion, revealing which side, buyers or sellers, is actively attacking. And most importantly, smart money always uses both types of orders together. They use limit orders to set traps or absorb liquidity, and use market orders to trigger stops or push price through key zones, creating movements that most retail traders misread. Once you can read both layers of this interaction on Bookmap, you'll start to see the full picture of real order flow, the level where smart money truly operates. And that's the complete core foundation for understanding real order flow on Bookmap, how the two types of orders, aggressive and passive, work together to create every price movement you see on the chart. Once you learn to read the interaction between market and limit orders, you'll never look at the market the same way again. Instead of just seeing candles and price, you'll start to see how money truly moves, and where smart money is taking action, absorbing, distributing, or setting traps. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming videos on order flow analysis and real trading strategies with Bookmap.